Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Alright man, what's your name and what else in here real quick?
My name's Robert Pruitt. I have 4 Wolfram HG 12s on 5K for now. It was on 10K. We lost the amp on the way here. It's doing pretty good. When we metered it with both amps hooked up, it was doing a 55 sealed on the glass. So we're hoping to try and make some Ruckus today.
Alright. Wow. Did you build this?
Yes, sir.
Nice job, man.
Yep.
What is the tunings on it?
Roughly 36 hertz.
Okay. So what, have you metered it at all?
No.
No? What do you
We metered it once, and it did a 55 with both amps. But then I didn't have them gain matched.
Okay, so you probably 57s?
Yeah, probably. So I went on your channel and actually helped me learn my box ride.
Really? Okay, awesome. Glad to help, man.
You gave me actually when you had your Explorer here last year, you actually took the shit out.
I remember. Yeah, you sat in the corner and gave me 65.
I sat in that corner and took the shit
Yep. Nice to meet you, man. Team Dark Side.
Yeah, Team Dark Side. You see it?
Yep. Can I see the amp? Okay, man. Have a good day.
on 5K.
Was it a lot louder with the other one?
Yes.
Man,
Dude,
wow.
I lost it this morning.
Dang.
I'm assuming from road vibration. But
Yeah. So what? Have you metered it at all?
No.
No. What do you,
Well,
what do you think?
we metered it once, and
Yeah.
it did a 55 with both amps. But then I didn't have them gain matched.
Okay. So you probably
I
57s.
actually, yeah, probably.
Shots of patrol, steam, wishing I could put my niggas on. See, I'm a pussy magnet, dog, I do what pussy wrong. Badass bitches in my motherfucking shorty's got that Pac-Man all day.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.